Good morning. Today we are going to be working out of the SparkleBerry box. It's going to be our first project, like our first official project. I know you guys don't have your boxes yet, but you will soon enough. And this way you're going to go ahead and be ready to get started. And I know you're also going to be very excited. Hey, Jerry. I know you're also going to be very excited about the new rollout of Mandy's palette, and I'm really excited to let you know that it did make it into the April box this month. So if you are already a SparkleBerry box member, you will be getting it. There are only a few, like we limited the boxes this time, so there are only a few boxes left for you guys, and there's only like 7 or 8 days to sign up for the April box. So go ahead and get it if you haven't, if you want to get it. So this is now, I replaced the Starstruck with Mandy's palette because I believe that you guys want this. Everybody asked for it. Hey, Tara. No, Tara. Hey, Lauren. Hey, Stacy. I know, I love this print, Jerry. So this is, oh good, and it's showing up this morning. I love it when it does that. These light prints look really good in glitter. So this morning, I'm wearing the same shirt that I wore like, I think last week, only because this is the shirt we're gonna be creating. I didn't give you guys the file last week, so I wanted to give it to you this week. So let's recreate it together. I'm also going to let the file be available for everyone this time. That won't always be the case. Hey, Ashley. That won't always be the case, but this time we're going to be giving this file away this morning. It hasn't been listed yet, but Mandy's palette has been listed. Oh, all the sticky stuff. Okay, so ask me questions if you have questions, and we'll get to them.
Have I missed the sign-up box?
Oh, no. So you have not missed the sign-up for the SparkleBerry box. It is, we do have a limited number available left for this month, so go ahead and sign up if you want to so you don't miss out. This is what's going to be in the box, except I'm missing the medium tack mask and the high tack mask that will be in this box. So you're looking at almost all of the supplies. They're just missing the 2 masks that we're going to put in there. So you have everything you need to work on your box when you get it. So you have not missed it. I'll put the link up in a minute, but if you just search box on our website, you will see it. Okay, so the first thing, while we're having all this chit chat, I want you guys to vote on something for me because I was unsure on what color to put this on. I got another gray shirt from Target that looks like this one. I love this, and I could probably wear it every single day. I love these shirts. So I'm trying to decide. I'm going to be using Mandy's palette for the flower, and then we're going to be using the matte mint blue for the Be Inspired. So what do you guys think? Do you think it should be the gray, which I don't even want to call it gray. It's like, I'm not sure what kind of gray that is. I call it feathery gray because it's not heather, but it's something else. So feathery gray, I don't know. But the gray or navy blue. There is no navy blue in this pattern, but I think it really makes the colors pop. So these are your 2 choices, gray or navy blue. Let me know and I'll pick from the winner in the next couple minutes, and then we'll get started. I have my heat press ready. I have my mask ready, that's what we'll do right now. Okay, so taking it back from the beginning of this project, I used my Cameo 3, and I also used, did I take the mat away? What did I do with it? Oh, it's right over there. Thank you so much. Kelly's gonna grab it for me. So we have my silhouette mat right here. I wanted to give you guys a visual on how to cut this for those of you who have never cut it. The pattern, we always lay pretty side up, whether it's adhesive pattern, HTV pattern, or the glitter HTV, you're gonna put it pretty side up on your mat, just like this, and you do not mirror cut, okay? I also put my blade settings earlier on another post. I can add it to this post too. I believe my depth was 3, the speed was 4, and then I think it was like I don't know. I'll post it later. But basically, it's the HTV glitter setting, and then I bump the speed down by 1, and I do the segment overcut as well, and it makes a really nice, pretty cut, and it's really easy to weed. Super easy to weed. I did it before this live though, because sometimes I miss pieces if I do it on the live. Okay, and then just for you guys that have never used solid HTV before, this is actually placed the glossy side down and the white is up, so it would be like this on your mat. And then this you're going to mirror cut, which means you reverse cut it and you're cutting it backwards because you're cutting from the back of the HTV. So that's just a little refresher for you guys. Now the carrier sheet or the mask is already on my solid, so I don't have anything else to do for this. This is my Be Inspired. It does look backwards, I know, but it's already cut. And now all I need to do is mask this. You guys make sure you're voting whether you want a navy or gray shirt.
Looks like navy.
Oh, Kelly says that it looks like navy's winning. I was really wanting to use the gray one, guys, so come on. Speak up if you want gray. Okay, so this is a really used, like the mask, you guys, if you have never worked with it before, is reusable over and over again. So this one, oh, well, this one's not going to be reused, so we're going to have to grab another sheet of it. Yeah, I may have to just get a whole new one because somebody stuck the wrong kind of, I'm sure it was me, but I stuck the wrong paper on it. So awesome. So it's really important, guys, to put the glossy side on the actual tacky part. So let me see what we have. I really wanted to use, oh good, I have one, Kelly. Okay. So I wanted to use one that I've used before so you guys can see that it's reusable as long as you stick the right side of the paper to it. So this is my high tack that I've used before. You can tell it's kind of, you know, high tack for glitter HTV. Make sure you grab that if you're not going to get the box, because it's not going to be included with it. So you have to grab that separately. I'm going to grab my squeegee that just happens to be in the first SparkleBerry box. So you get one of these nice big 4-inch squeegees. I'm going to place the sticky side down on top of my patterned glitter. And I'm going to squeegee. Do we have a question, Kelly?
Yeah, what about Cricut users? What are they going to do for settings?
Okay, so Cricut users for settings. I need to, I haven't cut the patterned glitter yet on my Cricut, but I will look into that for you guys. Whatever you use for regular glitter, solid glitter, that's exactly what I use for mine. So I'm assuming you're going to use the same one, but we will definitely, oh, and I just saw a message come through. I'll answer Christy Shaver. I don't know if she's watching the live right now, but I have kind of a cool announcement. So Cricut users, you're going to use the same setting that you use for solid glitter. And Christy Shaver just emailed us, and I saw it come through on my notifications. She asked if PayPal is now working for the SparkleBerry box, and it is. So use PayPal or your regular credit card if you want, however you want. Okay, so now you notice I didn't cut my mask because I'm going to reuse it again because I totally can. And now I took the backer off that was on the back of that glitter. It's off, and I get to throw this away. So you never confuse it with anything else. Just throwing that away. I did save the backer to my mask. It's stuck to my mat. And I'm going to save that to make sure to put my mask back on it. Okay, do you have another question, Kelly?
They were asking how much the box is. Miss Jerry answered that for them.
Awesome. So the box is $39.95 plus shipping, and shipping is $6.50, and that is reoccurring on the 20th of every month. And we're going to be crafting together, which is what's so exciting. Like this morning, we are doing a few informational questions, but usually we're just going to focus right on that project so you guys can craft with us. And I can't wait. So this morning we're making this shirt, but in a different pattern. I'm using Mandy's palette, which is in the box.
Are they going to get mask in the box?
And you're going to get mask in the box. You're going to get every accessory that you need in the box. And this month's box, you even get a squeegee. So you're going to be getting your mask that you need for the regular HTV, and you're going to be getting the mask that you need for your glitter HTV too. So you literally just get the box. If you have the cutter at home, you have everything you need, plus whatever you're going to decide to put it on. So this morning, did Navy win? Navy won. It's close, but I think Navy won. Okay, so Danielle, for what's in the box, it is a lot of HTV and a little bit of adhesive. So what we're doing is we're making sure to coordinate the colors that go with the patterns that we put in it. And this is actually what's in the box. It's patterned patterned glitter HTV, Mandy's palette, and Flamingo Mint are the two glitters. And then we have Lover's Rain Night HTV, Mermaid Scales HTV, the matching HTVs, like the solid colors, as well as the mask, the transfer tape for the adhesive, and Messy Studio permanent adhesive, as well as the matching solid color for that. So you're getting a ton of stuff, plus your squeegee and the mask. So you have all the mask and transfer tape you need, and these are really great classic patterns. We're going classic this time, and then you get this cute little SparkleBerry box.
How often? monthly?
And it's a monthly subscription right now. So on the 20th of every month, and then it's going to ship to you. You're going to have it around like the 23rd, 24th, somewhere around there. I'm so excited. We've already started getting ready for it, and you guys are just going to love it. Okay, so do we really think navy?
Yeah,
okay.
I'm sure navy.
So navy won. So this shirt I'm using this morning is from Target. It is the Goodfellow brand. It is in the men's department. I got this one on clearance. I believe it was like $6 something because it was on clearance. I wear the men's small, so I got the men's small. And there are a lot of really good, nice feminine colors. So go check out the men's department at Target. It's really, really exciting whenever I find a new line of blanks. Okay, so I'm going to set you up over here because I have my beautiful pink press by Hottronics. And I'm going to go ahead and pre-press this and put my line down the middle so that I have a nice line, and I'm also at the same time getting the moisture out. And my heat press is set on 305. Really, with the fashion film that we're using today, it can go all the way up to 320. The glitter is 305, so I'm just keeping it 305. I find that big of a difference is not a big difference. I have not had any trouble with with any of my stuff coming off at that temperature, so that's where we are right now. Okay, so I have my nice line down the middle.
I want to know how much HTV they're getting in their box.
Okay, so HTV, you'll be getting, let's see, 1, 2, 3. You're getting two patterned HTV, 2 glitter pattern HTV, 1 pattern adhesive, as well as 3 HTV solids and 1 adhesive solid, and they're all full size. So they're all the full website size, so you don't have to worry about getting a little sheet or anything. We're going to try to keep full size products in there as long as we can. I really think we're not going to have a problem. So this morning, I'm going to do the pattern glitter first. I'm going to lay that down first. I'm going to fold my design in half. Sorry, I'm going for a minute. And that is because HTV is very, very durable, guys. And you can do this and that line will press right out. But that's going to help me match my line on my shirt. So, yes, full sheets. Lauren, yes, full sheets mean the same size sheets as on the website. Thank you for clarifying. Okay, so for you newbies, we like to keep our designs 2 to 3 inches away from the collar. I'm a little bit more toward the 2 inch. I like 2 inches from my collar. So that's what I'm doing this one as. And I'm matching up my lines. I didn't do a great job of getting that very straight. So I'm going to look at it really carefully because sometimes on lives I do crooked shirts and I wish that I didn't because we do some really great projects and I want them to be perfect. So just bear with me for a second. Do we have any other questions right now?
No.
Okay. Okay. All right. So I have it nice and lined up. I'm going to slide it over here onto my heat press. I know I make some of you nervous because I look like I'm really close to it, and I do get burned every now and then, but it's just a little burn. It's okay. Okay, so I don't have to use my Teflon for this first tack. I'm going to do a quick tack because I'm pressing 2 layers for this. I'm going to put my solid on next. So what I'm going to do right now is just do the quick tack. I don't need the Teflon. I have a dark colored shirt, so I'm just really not worried about anything. I'm going to make sure it's nice and straight. Sometimes I do my lives, and if I watch it back and I'm like, oh my gosh, my shirt was like all crumpled in one area. Okay, so pressure is very important, guys. So this is a medium pressure. So pressure is really important when it comes to making sure that you press that material gets in your shirt. It's not just about heat, and that was one of the points I wanted to make earlier. So I just did a quick tack of about 7 seconds, and now I'm going to pull this up. You can see this will pull straight off. This is a hot peel. Okay, so now what I have is this beautiful lotus flower just waiting for the inside to be put on it. Let's see if we can get a little closer so you guys can see the beautiful glitter. This looks so great with the glitter. Remember, I'm going to put this file up for you guys in a minute. So Mandy's palette is already listed on the website, so you can grab that, but it's also going to be at that great value for the SparkleBerry box because the SparkleBerry box is valued at over $50, but it's only $39.95. So it's a really good, that's 20% off. For those of you who, like me, may not be like super great at math, that's 20%, which is a lot. That's a lot. But I really wanted it to be a good value for you guys because I want you guys to be crafting with me and crafting with your friends and your moms and your daughters and your sisters and just get, you know, it's just about getting us together. Okay, so now I'm going to lay down my Be Inspired. I have this to go, this to be able to go by because I have all those little spaces. Let me get you over here a little bit closer. So I'm going to lay it down perfectly, of course, like super perfectly. I did mess my HTV up a little bit when I was weeding, so I'm curious to see how that's going to press out. It's like a little hole. I'll even show you guys so that you can see before we press it and see if it melds together. I hope it does. All right, so if you can see if I can get you in there. Do you see my, oh, it doesn't like that. Okay, I'm not rotating my phone. Sorry, guys. See the E right there? It is a little, right there is a little bit yucky. I'm going to see if that presses out. I'm hoping it does. We'll see.